Hey guys, welcome back into another video. In this video, we are going to be talking about Python in indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is really important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So this is the example, the correct example to use a block of code. So if 7 is greater than 5, colon, 2 spaces, then print 7 is greater than 5. So let's see what the errors we will get. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. So if you skip the indentation, it will give you an error. If you do 7 is greater than 5 colon and directly print 7 is greater than 5, then error. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least 1. So you should at least have 1 space over here. This is a free sign, and if you have more than 1 line, it's also a good sign. No errors. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. So over here, see, you have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code. So if 7 is greater than 5 colon, print 7 is greater than 5. Then this is having 2, if you have more than 2 in the next line, then it will give you an error. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please comment and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Goodbye and goodbye.